Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So Cursor is a popular VS Code fork with built-in AI features and Cloud Code works great with it. The extension is available in two forms. The official VS Code extension works in Cursor and there is also a custom Cursor version with unique features. So the custom Cursor version includes exclusive features like artifact rendering, previewing, HTML, SVG, React components, and code snippets right inside Cursor. This isn't available in the VS Code or Windsurf edition. So in today's small tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use code in Cursor. As usual, let's get started. First and first, you want an approach or basically for the use of the VS Code extension. The simplest way is to install the official code for VS Code extension in Cursor by opening Cursor and pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus X to open the extension view. Search for Cloud Code, then click Install. As you see here, we have many options when you are going to Cloud Code. You can go all the way to VS Code from here, Visual Studio, Cloud Code for VS Code, and you can easily install from here also. And anyway, so basically, after the installation and all of this, you have to install the custom cursor extension by downloading the extension file, extracting it to your Windows, and then starting the cursor completely. Then you will have to verify your installation using the artifact rendering feature. Kinda exclusive, but you can try it by copying an artifact example for basically an example, HTML, SVG, React component, or code snippet. Then open in the comment palette CMD plus Shift plus P or Ctrl plus Shift plus P. Run the Cloud Code Preview artifact from clipboard. There is also many keyboard shortcuts that you should use later. You can easily search for them. That's the idea. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.